Okay, so the next test, you follow me and write down. Here, test 5.2F, I think. Okay, 5.2F under your exercise 5.2, question B, starting from 11, then 12, and 13. We'll find this on textbook page, I think, 111. So I can write it likewise. Then let's start with B11. Question B11. Let me read the question for us. Okay. Which term of the AP 3, 5, 27, and 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? So here, given AP, given arithmetic progression is here, the first term is 3, then followed by 15, then followed by 3, then 15, then followed by 27, then followed by 39, and so on. And so we have this one. So from here we can say here, the first term is very clearly given. This first item here, 3, and the common difference D will be A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, the higher minus the in front one. Okay, so 15 minus 3, A2 minus A1, not A1 minus A2. 15 minus 3 is 12. So we have A and D now. So we have to find something, and question is saying which term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. So let nth, we don't know, so let's just put nth term of this given APB 132 more than, okay, more than its 54th term. So that's what we're putting. So we are assuming that term we need to find is the nth term. In other words, this question statement is saying the nth term, first term is A1, and third term is A3, 100th term is A100. So nth term will be AN, is 132 more than the 54th term, and so 54th term is A54. But this nth term is equal to 132 more. More means plus, so that's what it's saying. Nth term value is 132 more than its 54th term, right? Okay, so next here, once we are through with that, applying this formula, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, the same formula, a plus n minus 1 into d for an, and applying the same formula, an for a54 will be a plus n, specific value is here, so the n is n54 minus 1, so this is n minus 1 into d plus 132. It's clear, right? So here we have the value for a, so we may put it as well, plus n, we don't know yet, n minus 1 into d, we have here 12, and a, as we say this, we have here first term 3 plus 54 minus 1 is 53 into d value is here 12 plus 132. So that way we're going to get here 3 plus m minus 1 into 12, same thing, and 3 plus 53 into 12, let us find out. Okay, 53 into 12 will be 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. And for the 1 here, 1 3s are 3 and 1 5s are 5. 6 3 6. So we're going to get again write these things on the rough. 53 into 12 is 636 plus your 132. Okay, so here that gives you 3 plus n minus 1 into 12. Same thing, just keep it this plus this plus this. So 3 plus 636 plus 132, all are plus, so we have to add 12, 13, 14, 1 in hand, 6 plus 1 remainder 7, and here 7, so 774. 774, 3 plus 636 plus 132, and write these things on the rough. 774. So that gives you n minus 1 into 12 will be equal to 774. Shift this plus 3 to right side and minus 3. Right, so we're going to get here n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 774 minus 3 is 771. 72, 77. Something has gone wrong. Where it has gone wrong? 54th term, I think. Which term? 54th term. 54th term. So here a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus 54 minus 1 into d plus 132, that's correct. And here 3 plus n minus 1 into 12 plus 3, 53 into 12. Okay, so here 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 6, 3 and 6. So 3 plus 636 plus 132. So 3 6 3 6 132, 6 7 8 9. Oh, we went wrong here. 6 7 8 plus 3, 6 7 8 9 10 11, 1 in hand. This is 771. Sorry. So this should have been this 3 added should have been, please correct it, 771. So this also 771 minus 3 minus 3. So 7, so okay, up to here, please correct the slight adjustment. 771 minus 3 will be 768, as you can see here. 771 bigger absolute value plus minus 3 is 11 minus 3 is 8. 1 taken will make 11 here, so only 6 left, and here 768. So next step, you're going to get here. As you proceed, you're going to get, that implies n minus 1 is equal to 768 divided by this 12 into will go to the other side and will come down to the denominator. I think it's not so hard to cancel with the timetable for 12, so let's do 12 ones are 12, 12 6 are 72. Okay. But 76 is there, so 73, 74, 75, 76, 4 in hand. So that 4 will go to the left of 8 and become 48. So 12 into 4 is 48. So 12 into 64 is 6768. So that implies n will be equal to 64 by 1 means 64, and minus 1 shifted to right side will become plus 1. So n is 65, which means therefore the 65th term, because n is the term which is 132 more than the 54th term. Now we found out it is the 65th term. So 65th term will be, you can just use the same statement as the textbook, will be 132 more than its 54th term. Its 54th term. So the answer is the 65th term is the answer. So that's your answer for 11. Go to 12. Let us go to 12. Question B12. Let me read the question for us. Two APs have the same common difference. So they're two different APs but have same common difference. The difference between their 100 terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? So let us assume here, okay, A capital 1 and A small 1 be the first terms. Okay, or you can just keep capital A and small a also, that's fine. With the first terms and of the first term, A and capital A and A small be the first terms of the two APs respectively. That means capital A is the first term of the first AP, small a is the first term of the second AP. That's the meaning of respectively here. And D, small d, be their same common difference, because the question is saying they have the same common difference, okay, comma, such that, let us add this condition clearly because there is a difference, such that first term of the first AP, capital A, is greater than first term of the second AP, small a, because one has to be greater than the other, because the question clearly says there's a difference. If two students score the same mark, then there is student A and B 5 marks. There is no difference. So one higher, the other one lower, then only difference will come out. So one should be bigger. Okay, so here let us look into your question and see the difference between their 100 terms is 100. So as per question, difference between their 100 term, because first term of the first AP is bigger, so 100 term of the first AP will be A100. Okay, if you want, you put your 1 and 1. Okay, 1. Okay, so A1 is the first term, A2 second term, so A100 is the 100 term of the first AP minus 100 term of the second AP. Difference is equal to 100. So that means that 100 term of the first AP is greater than the 100 term of the second AP. So 100 term of the first AP minus 100 term of the second AP is coming out 100. Difference means bigger minus smaller. For example, you got 10 marks in a test and your friend got 7 marks in a test. You and your friend. So it will be difference between your marks will be the higher your mark minus 7. Not your friend who is lower minus yours. This is not difference, this is difference. So that's why we're putting here bigger value minus smaller value. So 100 term value of the first term, 100 term value of the first AP minus 100 term value of the second AP is equal to 100. Question is saying, see their second sentence, the difference between their 100 terms is 100. So we've written like that. Now let us apply that formula here. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. So A100 will be applying the same formula. The first term A1 plus N minus 1, N is 100 minus 1 into D. This is the A100 value minus A small 100 value will be applying same formula. First term of the first AP plus N is 100 minus 1 into D. So this is the A100 value is equal to 100, the question is saying. Now let us write here now A1 plus 99D minus here A1 plus 100 minus 1, 99D is equal to 0. Now let us remove these brackets here. We do that by multiplying outside to inside. So outside is plus, so the inside will be same even after removing bracket. A1 plus 99D. Where there is minus outside, we need to be careful. Minus into plus, minus A1, minus into plus, minus 99D. So when we do like that, multiply the outside to the inside, this bracket will get removed, right? Is equal to 0. So that way, minus 99D, and here in front plus, so plus 99D will be 0. So A capital 1 minus small a1 value here, A capital small a1 equal to 0 we got. Let's keep this one as equation 1 and see what the question is asking. Last sentence. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? So the answer is difference between their 1000 terms. This is the exact language of the text they are asking us. So the 1000 term of the first AP, which is capital A1000, minus 1000 term of the second AP, small a1000. Value of the 1000 term of the first AP, capital A1000, minus value of the 1000 term of the second AP, small a1000. So let us apply that formula. I think we don't need this, so let's just go on. That will be equal to A1000 will be first term A1 for the first AP, plus here this formula we're applying. N is 1000 now, so N minus 1, 1000 minus 1 and 2. D minus, so you can separate this if you want. And here, small a1 plus N minus 1000 minus 1 into D. This is the A1000 is small a1 plus N minus 1, applying this formula N minus 1 into D. So we may as well go on. That gives you A1 plus 999, because 1000 minus 1 is 999, D close, minus A small 1 plus 1000 minus 1 again, 999, D. So we have this. Now we can remove this bracket. A capital 1 plus 999D minus into plus, minus A1 minus into plus, minus 999D. So minus 999D and plus 999D is 0. So we're left with A1 minus small a1, capital A1 minus small a1 value we already have here, equal to, I got it wrong here. I think it should not be equal to 0. It should be equal to 100. Because we started from here, 100, see, sorry. Equal to 100, 100, 100, every step 100, so equal to 100. So you write here, please correct that one, A minus A1 capital minus A small a1 equal to 100. So A1 minus A capital 1 minus small a1 equal to 100 means you can replace that by 100. So difference between their 1000 terms is also 100. Yes, same as textbook question. So if I've made some mistake here, please correct the 100 on the right side, 100, 100. Up to here, here also on the right side, 100. From here to here. I think everything was fine. Maybe I forgot to put here 100. Okay, last question, 13. Okay. And then after you got the value equal to 100, you put below that, since using equation 1, because we got that value 100 from equation 1. Okay. And question B13, the last question for this test part. Let me read the question. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So it's quite easy, but I'll take some time to explain. So let n numbers of 3 digits, so every number has to be 3 digit numbers be divisible by 7. So you write like that. We don't know how many numbers, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So we're assuming it to be n. Now, therefore, the list of numbers divisible by the list of 3-digit numbers. The list of 3-digit numbers divisible by 7 is, let's do like this. Now tell me what is the smallest 3-digit number, or let us start with the biggest 2-digit number is 99. There is no 2-digit number greater than 99, right? So 99 plus 1 will be the first 3-digit number, 100. So the smallest 3-digit number is 100. Okay, you can start from here. 99, 2-digit number plus 1 equal to 100. So 100 is the first 2-digit number divided by 7. It does not divide, so this is not included. The first term, okay, the first term, 99 plus 1 equal to 100 divided by 7. This smallest 3-digit number 100 is not divisible by 7, as you can see. 7 ones are 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, and 30. There is no multiple of 7 which is 30. 7 fours are 28, then 7 5. So it doesn't divide. So this is not the one. So go to the next one. 101 also doesn't go. 2 also doesn't go. 3 also doesn't go. 4. 7 ones are 7, 8, 9, 10. Doesn't go. 105 is the first, I think, divided by 7. 7 or 7 ones are 7. 8, 9, 10, because there is 10 here, 3 remainder. 3 go to the left side of 5, then 35, 7. So the first 3-digit or the smallest 3-digit number divisible by 7 is 105. So you write that. Then the timetable of 7 is very easy. 7 into 15 you're getting, okay, let me write here, 7 into 15 you're getting 105, the first one. Then 7 into 16 is nothing but 105 plus 7, because timetable is like the right. 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So plus 7 will be 112. So the next one is 112. Then 7, the next 3-digit number divisible by 7 will be 7 into 17. So 112 plus 7 into 16 is 112. So into 7 into 17 will be plus 112 plus 7. 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. So 119. So the next term will be 119. So we're noticing that all the 3-digit numbers divisible by 7 are AP because they have common difference. 112 minus 105, 7. 119 minus 112, 7. So if a series of numbers has common difference, that is the only confirmatory characteristic to be an AP. So it's an AP, right? So up to 3 is enough. Then you can just put comma and dot, 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 and let us find the last or the biggest 3-digit number divisible by 7. For that, you can write, please write these things on your house, okay, because it will help you. What is the smallest 3-digit number or 4-digit number? The smallest 4-digit number is 1000, because 1000 minus 1 will become 3-digit, 999. So minus 1 will be 999. So the biggest 3-digit number is 999, right? And we know that this 999 does not divide by 7. You can try. 7 ones are 7, 2 in hand, 29. 7 fours are 28, 29, 1 in hand. So that one remainder go to the front of this 9, 19. There is no multiple of 7 which is 19. So this 999 is not divisible by 7. So you can go lower now. So 998. 7 ones are 7. 2, 28, 1 in hand. 18 also not going. So this is also not divisible. 996 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 8, 9, 2 in hand. 29. 7 fours are 28. 29, 1 in hand. That go to the front of 6, 16. Again, 16 doesn't go by 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. So 996 is not divisible by 7. So go lower. 995. divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 8, 9, 2 in hand, 28, 29. 4s are 28, 1 in 29, 1 in hand, 15. Again, 7 2s are 14. 15 doesn't go. So this also doesn't divide. The 994 by 7 is the first. The last 3-digit number divisible, or the biggest 3-digit number divisible by 7, I think. You can check. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. 8, 9, 2 remainder, go to the left of this 9, 29, 7 4s are 28. 29, 1 in hand. That 1 will go to the front of 4 means 14, 7 2s are 14. So the biggest 3-digit number divisible by 7 is 994. So the last 3-digit number in this AP will be 994, full stop. So this list, I mean this list here, is in AP. This list is in AP. Okay, this list is in AP where the first term A or A1 we can put 105, and the common difference D will be A2 minus A1 equal to 7. It's in AP because they have common difference everywhere. 105 plus 7, 112 plus 7, 119 plus 7 plus 7. So the difference is 7 everywhere. So that's AP. So this is the list of 3-digit number. The whole thing we need not write, but the first 3 and gap there, and the last biggest 3-digit number divisible by 7 is 994, right? And if there are n total number of 3-digit numbers divisible by 7, then the nth term means the last nth term will be the last term, and the last term is this one, 994. So that means an is the last term value is 994. We know that. So that implies an formula is a or a1 plus n minus 1 into d, as you can see here. A plus n minus 1 into d equal to 994. Then we have the value for a, which is 105, plus n, we don't know yet, so n minus 1 into d here. D value is 7, so we put there 7, 994. So that gives you 105 plus, okay, you can just write this one, this part, 7 n minus 1 into d equal to 994, and shift this, no sign in front, means plus 105, go right side, minus 105. So here we're going to get here n minus 1 into d is equal to 994 minus 105. This is plus and this is minus, bigger one up. So plus minus means subtraction. So 14 minus 5, 9. So to make 14 here, we took 1 from here, borrowed. So only 8 left. So 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. Bigger absolute value is plus. So here also plus. You write those things on your graph. So this will be 8, 8, 9. Right. So please write all these things on your graph, okay? Because it will help you to understand. I hope you're getting so far, right? So here we are going to get here. That implies n minus 1 is equal to 8, 8, 9 divided by this 7 is into 7. If you shift right side, it will go to denominator. And I think 8, 8, 9 is divisible by 7. So 7 ones are 7. Ones are 7. 8, 1 remainder. That 1 will go to the left of this next 8, 18. So the number that goes with 7 timetable is 7 2s are 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 4 remainder. So 4 will go to the left of 9, 49. 7 7s are 49. So n will be equal to 127 by 1 means 127. Minus 1, you shift to the right side, plus 1. So n value is 128. So how many numbers are 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? We wrote n. So n is 128 means. So there are 128 3-digit numbers there are 128 3-digit numbers divisible by 7 in this given AP. So our answer is 128. I think this is the same as the textbook question answer. Let's check. Yes, that's correct. I hope you got it right. Okay.